So basically, pulled the unit out, right? So this is the unit here. You have to remove one screw here, one screw here, and one screw here. And then it looks like you can pull these little clips up, and then you can remove the bezel and access my really scratched up screen. Okay, so we pulled the 4 clips, and then the bezel comes off here in one piece. Put this off to the side there. And there you go. You can see my very scratched up screen. That's the anti-reflective coating, which I have experience with on watches. And it does this just the same on watches as it does on iDrive screens. So yeah, really the best thing is to pull that anti-reflective coating off, which can be quite difficult. That's why I got this stuff here, which was recommended online, Novus. Yeah, and then I also have one of these. It's like a Protect screen protector, matte, anti-glare, anti-scratch. So we'll put this on top. So ultimately, clean all this stuff off, put this bad boy on there, and of course it doesn't quite fully cover the screen, so that's a bit of a shame. Well, that's about all I can do, I guess.
Okay, so here's the final result. As you can see, there are no more scratches. It's a very uniform and clean screen. If you look at the reflections, which are very minimal, and they're diffused, so that's the matte screen protector that's doing its job. So yeah, look at that, no scratches. It's turned out really well.